In this lesson, we're going to go through the configuration of Forefront Threat Management Gateway, or TMG, for Publishing Exchange Server 2010. So here I've got a server that I've called SID-FW, FW standing for Firewall. And this will be the server that I'm going to install TMG on. Now there's a couple of different ways to install TMG. You can do a multi-homed installation, or you can do a single-homed installation. I'm just going to do a single-homed installation of TMG in this case, because all we're looking at is specifically the Exchange publishing scenarios. And also I'll just point out that Forefront TMG as a product has been basically discontinued by Microsoft at this time, which means that you can't go and buy a new license of Forefront TMG. But I will put this lesson in anyway, because you may encounter Forefront TMG servers out in the field in existing production environments, and you may need to still administer those because they are still fully supported. It's just that you can't buy a new license. Okay, so I haven't done anything else to this server other than install the operating system, activate it, update it with the latest patches, give it an IP address, those sort of things, and join it to the domain. And what I want to do is just from my TMG install media, I'm going to run the preparation tool and just quickly fly through these options, installing TMG services and management. We're just going to fly through these options basically to install the prerequisites and get TMG up and running. This isn't really designed to be an in-depth examination of Forefront TMG. I am probably going to skip through some of the setup steps very quickly without going into great depth, because what we really want to look at is just the Exchange publishing scenarios. Okay, so those prerequisites have finished installing, and we can let the wizard launch the TMG installation wizard for us automatically. Now, if you've never done a TMG installation, it is pretty straightforward to get a default installation in place. Now, really the most important thing is you just need to specify the correct internal network addresses. So I'm going to add my 3 subnets for my internal network in my lab environment. And that's about it. We just let that software install. And there we have it. That installation does take quite a while, particularly on lower powered servers. And I don't want that. And just launch the Forefront TMG management console when you're ready, just to confirm that that's all connecting and working fine. Okay, so in the next lesson we'll just go through this getting started wizard and configure that TMG server.